You have big dreams, but you're not doing anything about them. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, next week, next month, but somehow that day never comes. You think you're lazy, you think you lack discipline, but deep down, you know that's not true. Because you want to do something with your life. So what's actually happening? Your brain is rewarding you just for imagining success. When you picture your dream life, success, money, recognition, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical you get when you actually achieve something. So your brain gets confused. It starts believing you've already made progress. That's why you feel satisfied, even when you've done nothing. This is called mental simulation, and it's dangerous. Because instead of taking action, you stay stuck in thinking, planning, dreaming. You talk about your goals. You think about your goals, but you never move. That's why some people sound ambitious, but their life never changes. Because thinking about success feels easier than earning it. So how do you break this? Stop overthinking your goals. Don't wait for motivation. Start small. Take action, even when you don't feel ready. Because action is what creates momentum, not thinking. Because dreams don't change your life, actions do. Follow for more psychology that actually helps.